Hey, what's up? Recently, Arenti company contacted us and offered to test their products. We agreed, but on a condition that we give a completely honest opinion about their device. So this is Arenti G01 wireless outdoor security camera with built-in battery, Full HD resolution, night vision, two-way audio, motion detection and other features. I was attracted in this camera and other products of Arenti company by design. We can see different security cameras on the official website, and all of them look very nice. However, we will also talk about functions and video quality of Arenti G01 camera in this video. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications about new videos. I like the box of this security camera, because we can see how it looks like, main features and even mobile app. By the way, on the back of the box, there's a complete smart home security camera solution from Arenti. Inside the box we have a camera itself, power adapter, USB cable, the first bracket, and the second bracket, screws, and user guide. As already said, the design of this camera caught my eye. It looks very minimalistic, but stylish at the same time. The main body is white, while the front side is black. The dimensions of this security camera are 95 by 50 by 50 mm. The weight is 215 grams. You know, it is quite heavy, but this is because of a built-in battery. We will talk about it a little later. The new security camera has LED indicator, microphone hole, lens and PIR motion detection sensor on the front. Power button is located on the right side. On the back we can see a speaker, magnetic mount for bracket and micro USB port under the rubber plug. At the bottom there is a mount for the second bracket, as well as a reset button and memory card slot under the rubber plug. By the way, this is an outdoor security camera, so it has IP65 Waterproof rating. As I already said, there are two brackets in the package. You can use a magnetic side bracket and install a camera on the wall. A magnetic is very powerful, so the wind and other weather conditions are not a problem for it. If you don't believe a magnet, then you can use a bottom bracket. I think it is even better, because you can rotate the camera left and right 360 degrees as well as up and down 90 degrees. Okay, now let's connect Arenti G01 security camera to the app on smartphone. The app is called Arenti, and it is available on Android and iOS devices. After installing the app, open it and press on Add button to add a new device. Now choose battery camera, and there will be only one device. This is Arenti G01. The next step is to hold power button on the right side on the camera to power it on. Now open a rubber plug at the bottom of the camera and hold the reset button. Select your home Wi-Fi network and enter a password from it. Finally, you need to show this QR code to the camera. Wait a little, and the camera will be connected to the smartphone. That's all. Talking about the functions in the app. First, we can see a live video from the camera. We can also see a Wi-Fi signal strength, battery level and resolution SD or HD. And then we can view it, take a snapshot, record a video and enlarge the video. There is also a big microphone button to walk with your visitors. You can also swipe left to turn on/off motion detection. By the way, motion detection works very well. Notifications come when the smallest movements is detected by the camera. At the bottom we can choose Live, History, Album and Settings. Let's take a look at the settings menu. First, we can change the device name if you don't like the numbers. Then there is a tutorial how to share the device, install a camera and information about camera. The basic functions include network indicator, speaker volume, 12 hours clock, screen flip, night vision mode and power management. In the power saving settings, we can change a shooting interval and maximum shooting time. Alert settings menu has the options of receive alert notifications and motion detection. There is also recording management, cloud storage service, Amazon Echo and Google Home in the settings of the app. Another feature of Arenti G01 security camera is built-in battery. It has a capacity of 6700 mAh. The manufacturer says that camera can work for 6 months on a single charge based on 5-10 times triggering per day. That's very good battery life. Okay, it's time to watch some videos that I shot on Arenti G01 security camera. You know, the new security camera has 2 megapixel sensor with Full HD resolution and 145 degrees viewing angle. Daytime videos look pretty good. Do you agree? Don't forget that this is security camera with 2 megapixels sensor, and the video quality will not be the same as on your smartphone. Talking about night videos, the built-in infrared LEDs are really powerful. Probably they are too powerful, because the face at the close range is overexposed. However, you can see what is happening indoors and outdoors in complete darkness. So Arenti G01 is a good outdoor security camera. If you don't want to worry about power supply and cords, then battery-powered camera is the best choice. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!